Today we discuss about 8th class rational numbers exercise 1.1 fourth sum. Multiply 2 by 11 and reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. 2 by 11 and reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So that is first reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is minus 14 by 5. These two multiply, that is 2 by 11 into minus 14 by 5. Their product minus 2 into 14. 14 does a 28, 11 5 is a 55. This is fourth one answer. Which property compute into this expression? Which property you can use first? First, here this bracket shifted to first. 2 by 5 into 5 into 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. This is associative property. Associative property. Okay, now here 5 cancel. Here 5 when it will be cancelled? 1 by a into a. A cancel, will get 1. So this is inverse property. Associative and inverse. That multiplicative inverse property. Multiplicative inverse property. Okay, here also 3 cancel. What are the remaining right? 2 into 7 by 6 plus 1 into 4 by 11. 2 7s are 2 7s are or 2 3s are cancelled. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 7 by 3 plus 4 1s are 4 by 11. Now closure property and commutative. A plus b, b plus a, that is commutative. So take an LCM. 11 3 LCM is 11 3s are 33. Now here 33, here 33 we need. So into 11 by 11, 11 7s are 77. Here into 3 by 3, 4 3s are 12. So finally we will get 89 by 33. This is answer. Now sixth question, verify here LHS, RHS. LHS value simplify and RHS value simplify if they are getting equal or not, check it. That is verification. Now LHS, this is LHS. Now I want to start here. They are equal or not, we have to check. And this side RHS. LHS and RHS we have to do, simplify. Here in the bracket 5 by 4 plus into minus minus 1 by 2 plus into minus minus 3 by 2. Now here in the bracket take LCM. 4 and 2 LCM is 4 minus 3 by 2 here. Here 4, here also make it equal to 4. Here 4, so 5 minus. Make it equal to 4. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2. 5 minus 2. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Now taking LCM 4. Here 4 cancel 3. Here 2 2s are 4. So 3 2s are 6. Final answer is minus 3 by 4. Okay, now check RHS. What will get? Here 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus into minus minus 3 by 2. 5 by 4 plus here 2 is the LCM, minus 1 minus 3. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 by 2. You can take LCM is better, no? So LCM is 4, 5 plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. We got minus 3 by 4. Here LHS getting minus 3 by 4. RHS is also getting minus 3 by 4. Finally, LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified. The given question is equal. That is satisfied, verified. Evaluate 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3. Now the solution 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus into minus minus 2 by 5 plus into minus 2 by 3. Rearrangement of the terms, rearrangement of the fractions. So which are had by 5 by 5? Denominators is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 3 minus 2 by 3. After that, here it is 5. So 3 minus 2 by 5. Here it is 3. 7 minus 2. Denominator 6. That's right. Here 3 minus 2. 1 by 5 plus 7 minus 2. 5 by 3. Take LCM. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 5 5s are 25. Final answer is 28 by 15. This is evaluate the fractions. Now, 8 bit. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So that is 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. So that is take LCM 3 4 LCM 3 4s are 12. Here make it 12, here also make it 12. If you make it 12 into 4 by 4, 4 1s are 4. Here make it 12 into 3 by 3, 3 3s are 9. Final answer 4 minus 9 minus 5 by 12. And second question is 2 minus 32 by 13. That is 2 plus 32 by 13. 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. Now LCM is 13. 1 into 13, 2 13s are 26 plus 32. Final answer 58 by 13. So subtract. How to subtract? They explain. Now, ninth question. What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 to get minus 3 by 2? We don't know the number. Let the number be x. What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 to get minus 3 by 2? So, let us take the number is x. Now, x is equal to minus 3 by 2. This transfer right side plus 5 by 8. Now, take LCM for 2 and 8. 8 is the LCM. 2 4s are, 3 4s are 12. 8 1s are, 5 1s are 5. So, final minus 12 plus 5. Subtract. Minus 7 by 8. So required rational number is minus 7 by 8. Now question number 10. The sum of two rational numbers is 8. One of them minus 5 by 6. Find the other. Sum of two rational numbers is 8. We don't know other one. Let us take x. So now x is equal to 8 plus 5 by 6. Now x is equal to, here taking 6 is the LCM, 8 by 1. 1 into 6, 8 6 are 48 plus 5. So x is equal to 53 by 6. So this is the required rational number